Okay, Kieran, this is a campus placement GD simulation. Remember, don't speak too long. Speak smart.
Yes, I will try. Can I start?
Yes, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are discussing whether artificial intelligence is a boon or a threat to employment. In my opinion, AI is more of a boon because it increases productivity and creates new job opportunities in technology sectors.
Good start. Clear and structured. Now I'll add my perspective. While AI creates opportunities, it also replaces repetitive jobs. Many workers may lose employment if they don't upgrade their skills.
I agree with your point. However, technological advancement has always created new types of jobs in the long run.
For example, automation in factories reduced manual labor, but it created technical maintenance and programming jobs.
Exactly. AI also improves healthcare, education, and customer service efficiency.
But rural and low-skilled workers might struggle to adapt quickly.
That's true. So governments and companies should focus on reskilling programs.
Imagine someone is speaking continuously without giving chance. What will you do?
I will wait for a pause and say, I would like to add a small point to that discussion. Politely, but confidently.
Very good. Never shout. Now disagree with me professionally. I will say AI is completely harmful.
I respectfully disagree. While AI may reduce certain jobs, it encourages innovation and skill development.
Perfect phrase. I respectfully disagree. What about body language?
Maintain eye contact, sit straight, avoid folding hands, and speak clearly.
Yes. Also, don't look only at one person. Engage the whole group. If discussion goes off topic, what will you say?
I will say, let us focus back on the main topic of AI and employment.
Excellent leadership quality. Now give a strong conclusion.
To conclude, artificial intelligence is both an opportunity and a challenge. Its impact depends on how society adapts. With proper training and awareness, AI can become a powerful tool for growth rather than a threat.
That was professional and balanced.
Earlier, I thought GD means speaking continuously.
No. It means listening, analyzing, and responding smartly.
So key points are: start clearly, give examples, respect others, and conclude strongly.
Exactly. And confidence comes from daily practice.
Next time, I want to lead the discussion.
You're ready.